So, when I give that Jack Sparrow thing, that if craziness would have not been there, then it would have never worked. So, some fellow who stole, uh, who stole the files and sold it, uh, and he thinks I would have never done it. What? I would have never made any film or anything. If they want to say this, so son, uh, you wanna call me crazy? So this crazy guy was a creative director in a magazine. I used to cover the entire city. I've done a feature film when I was a kid. Uh, Not that kid, but in my early 20s. Uh, and an assistant director too. And after that, I did international stuff as well. I did interviews with the performing artists which are traveling internationally. And yes, the one who wanna call what do you call it? I did a lot of stuff in my life, but in time it will come out. So the one who says that this burger is crazy, is just recording from the front camera, hidden bugs, and defame him and steal him, loot him, and change his drive, and what do you call it? So I was smart enough to bring you out. So the one who records me from the front camera, I caught you out in the surveillance. Police has your car number or a bike. If cycle is there, then you if you are following me from a cycle, then your face is there. And if not, then your bike and car number are there. Uh, So I brought you out. So they think they are some kind of winner. You know who the winner is? The moment you got exposed, I got clearance. And the craziness about me is I'm trying to save people, not put them into the fire. I got clearance. I can go anywhere I want. I just have to take those paperwork. But I decided a different path. I mean, even Einstein was called crazy for years. Later, they found out he was a genius. So, and you are the crazy, not crazy one. The uh, guy who wanna say you are the Yogendra Nikade. It's me. You wanna be me. I bet even in your 20s, the essays which you wrote would be a crap, and you want to sell my what do you call it? Money making scripts, and eat what burgers, pizzas. Huh? Instead of making people's career, you decide to do that, and what do you call it? You call me crazy. Of course, every artist is crazy. They have their vision. It's a crazy vision. That's how they put it on the paper, pencil, their art material, and on the screen. They have that vision, that crazy vision. Every artist is crazy. So I got I got my freedom long back. But the matter which is, I decided to. Uh, you know what is crazy? Real crazy. The one who wanna see people die. And it's me not letting it happen. Just because you wanna eat burgers and pizzas. You want people dead. You still don't get it where this was gonna land up. My single statement brought a lot of difference in the entire Mumbai. That's crazy. So, So if someone is crazy, then it doesn't mean 50,000 people have to follow him. He is something, right? Who is fucking crazy here? So, son, whoever you are, in your 40s, 20s, teen, whoever you are, still I'll call you son. I had my bloodbath in my teen. The blood which I spilled out, I could see more tears of my loved ones. That's the stuff you stole. More than that blood, I saw tears in people's eyes, my friends and loved ones. So, and that's the stuff you stole, and you're eating and you're gonna call me crazy. Of course, every artist is crazy. They have that vision, they have that thing in them. That's why they put it on the pencil and paper, and you want to steal it. So, be careful, my compass is not here yet. Compass, the Jack Sparrow has a compass. West people knows what that compass is and how I used it. They used to watch me from Edinburgh, and they still want to know what I was doing with that compass. What was that compass? A tiny little book, but what it was telling me all the time, and it happened the exact same thing. Feel lucky it's not with me now. So the one who calls me crazy, you wanna you really want some crazy stuff about you? Should I give it to you? The crazy stuff is you never did anything in your life. Huh? You got jealous of other people's life. There is jealousy, and we lot of what do you call it? You covet other people's life. Huh? So you wanna be me. And the most crazy part is every day you're getting crazy to be me. Which you can't be. Which you can't be. You could never be. Look, my brother is on the phone. So, did you call him? No, no. So, son, the world is not that crazy as you think, but you are more for me. You want to become me. I hope you understand it. Just because of your pizza, burgers, and everything, I understand there is always a what do you call it? People are poor, people have greed, people have they want to become something. My only question is you only have to ask. You only had to ask. By stepping on so many people's lives, I don't want to be that star. I'm a star. I'm a star. I'm the one who escaped all the accusation and it got reversed. And you know the nudes, the hidden bugs, what do you call it, the hidden bugs, nudes, and whatever you people made, surveillances are out there, and you are giving the surveillance to everyone. Why did I put this surveillance? And now everyone are counting how many people are with the clone. You know the real thing is, after watching my life, people who know me, they went crazy for me. And you want to call me crazy? Every artist is. So, whoever you are, you think you must have won. You won what? You won nothing. You only got few burgers and pizzas. I am the one who is letting things go, and in future, those burgers and pizzas will be coming out in time. I don't have to do anything. It's the what do you call it? Uh, Baba. So, Baba. So his voice is also, and he is speaking about an interview and all. I don't want him to get recorded into this because his stuff is also confidential. So they want to call me crazy. They want to steal my stuff and they want to be me and they want to call me crazy. And you know what the crazy part is? You got the crazy part. Your family is watching your craziness every day. That why are you so obsessed about me? Why? That's craziness. So I really planned this out, or I